How to delete Temu app data. Well, if you want to erase all the data of your Temu application, then what you want to do is, you simply have to head over to the settings of your device. Once you're inside your settings, head over to General. Move into iPhone Storage. It will land you on the space where you'll be able to see all the list of the application that you have it on your device. You have to search for the application Temu. Once you find it, head over to it. You will be landing on this page. In here, simply tap on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. So offloading app means clearing the cache and the storage of the application, which means that it will also clear all the data of your Temu app. If you move into your application Temu, you will be logged out of your specific account. In order to have your data back, you have to relog into your specific account, and then only you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can delete Temu app data. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.